Hello, my name is Nkechi, guider trainer in just concluded first batch of MMM Nigeria and East Africa Guider School. I want to appreciate Shannon, our teacher, for the training and knowledge she imparted into me during my training in the school. I also want to appreciate my group mates for a great presentation. It's been an awesome experience. These past couple of days, I've learned a lot free and I'm super excited. I learned about MMM ideology. I learned about the fact that MMM is not an investment. Also learned about the fact that participants should not only just pay money to join MMM. And a whole lot of benefits on the training. I have a lot of experience. I have acquired a whole lot of knowledge in the training school. It's been an amazing experience for me. I learned about Google and how I can use it to share my links. I also learned how to set up a page on Facebook and monetize it, boost it to reach much more people in Nigeria and attract them to this great community. I learned about the business game. It was awesome. My team and I put heads together and brainstorm concerning the pause mode and the restart. It's been amazing. I want to appreciate the Guider School for the great idea. It has really exposed us and opened our mindset. We are ready to go all out there and contribute our quota. Together, we are going to change the world. Together, we are going to change Nigeria. Thank you and remain blessed.